Hi friends, welcome to Kodai Linux. I'm your facilitator Murali. In today's session, we are going to learn about the tr command. Okay, tr command works like this. Okay, when tr command is given with issued with two expressions, expression 1 and expression 2, it will translate all the characters in the expression 1 to the corresponding characters in expression 2 from the input file. Okay, if you are giving something like tr, okay, within expression 1 I am giving x, within expression 2 I am giving y. So in the input file, wherever x is there, it will be replaced by y. Okay, and you can give any number of characters also in expression 1 and expression 2, but how many ever characters you are giving in expression 1, the same number of characters should be there in expression 2 also. Okay, and for doing some specialized task, you can give options wherever required. And tr by default can read from the keyboard, but if you want tr to read from a file, you need to do the input redirection from the file so that it reads from the file. So let us work practically on these aspects on the $prompt. Let us start with working with the tr command. Okay, tr, okay, ABC CBA within square bracket CBA. That's all. What happens, when you are giving tr ABC CBA in the input file, wherever A is there, it will be translated to C. Wherever B is there, it will be B only. Okay, or I can give CAB. Okay, so wherever A is there, it will be translated to C. Wherever B is there, it will be translated to A. Wherever C is there, it will be translated to B. Okay, so this is a car, something like this. What happens? This is A is translated to C, car, BCR, correct? Because C to B, A to C. Okay, cab is mine, something like this. So BCA is mine because A to C, B to A, C to B. Okay, so every character in expression 1 would be translated to the corresponding character in expression 2. By corresponding, what I mean? First character to first character, second to second, third to third. So these are two expressions, and this is known as character class. Whatever is within the pair of square bracket, that is known as character class. Okay, fine. So tr is a filter, right? So it reads the input from the keyboard. Okay, so whichever command can read input from the keyboard, it can read input from the pipe also. So let us suppose that I am giving echo. Okay, so what I have done, I have given lot of spaces in between the words. Okay, I have given one sentence, much ado about nothing. Pipe it to tr. There is an option called -s. What -s will do means it will squeeze the multiple occurrence of spaces to single occurrence. But how do you tell the space character? Colon, blank, colon, in the closing bracket, single quote. Okay, I'm just giving a comment. So -s stands for squeeze. -s option stands for squeeze. So colon, blank, colon, it stands for the horizontal space characters. Okay, so what it does, it squeezes multiple consecutive occurrences of the horizontal space characters to single space. So by horizontal space, what I mean, the space generated by the space bar and the tab character. That is horizontal space. Then there is another thing called vertical space. Vertical space, apart from the space and tab, it includes new line character also. Okay, so when you are concerned about space character, tab character, and new line character, these three together, okay, one of these, then it is colon space colon. When it is only horizontal spaces like space and tab, that is colon blank colon. Okay, now let us suppose that, okay, here in this I want to rather remove. Okay, well, let us suppose I am giving something like, okay, it's the same thing, much ado about nothing. But now what I want to do, I want to remove all these space characters, horizontal and vertical both. tr -d option removes the specified characters. So but now I will be giving space. Okay, so -d deletes, removes or deletes, okay, the specified characters. So what I have specified, colon space colon. Colon space colon includes what? A space generated by the space bar, space generated by the tab, and then the new line character. Okay, these three. See, you can see even the new line character is removed. Correct? Because that is the reason the dollar prompt is displayed on the same line, because new line character is not there now. So all the space characters are removed. Okay. Then with tr, what if I want to remove all the alphabetical characters from the input? Echo. Okay, I'm giving alphabets as well as then some numbers as well as some special characters. Okay, from this I want to remove only the alphabets. So what I do, tr-d, then alpha colon. So this would remove delete only the alphabets from the input. If you can see, only the alphabets are removed from the input. Okay, there is something called as all num. Alphabets and numerical characters would be removed. Colon all num would remove alphabets and numerical characters, and it will keep all the other characters. So I encourage you to go through the manual pages of tr command. Okay, or more set of characters. Okay, that can be on which we can do some action. Okay, so what if I have ls-l output? Okay, ls-l output, I have multiple spaces, right? I want to squeeze those spaces to single space. So ls-l tr-s space character. See, you can see, no? See the difference between the first set of output, the second set of output, right? Okay, then I told you that tr can work with the files also, right? Okay, so let us work with tr with the files. Okay, okay, cat greater than some file I will create. Okay, my file. Okay, okay, So cat greater than file name, then control D. So this way we can quickly create a file. Okay, cat my file. Yes. What I do, okay, I want to encrypt this file in such a way that it becomes non-readable. How do I do that? I can do something like this. tr, okay, A to Z, something like B to Z A, okay, less than my file. Okay, what happens? So it is translated to some other form, right, wherein we don't understand what is the message. Okay, so we are translating it to some other form. How do we do that? All the occurrence of A in the input file, all the occurrence of A, we are translating to B. B would be translated to C, C to D, D to E, Z to A. So it's something like a cyclic translation, right? Okay, fine. Okay, something like a cyclic translation. Okay, so the output is displayed on the monitor. What if I want to write the output to some file? Okay, encr file. Okay, now this encr file contains the jumbled contents. Okay, I want to change the jumbled contents back to the original content. How do I do that? Just I put it in the other way around. B to Z A to A to Z. From the file, this encr file greater than, okay, new file, something like that. So now look at the contents of new file. We got the content back. Okay, so you put it in the other way, you something like unjumbling it. First jumbling it and then unjumbling it. Okay, so this we have learnt about tr command. Okay, if you have any questions in the tr about the tr command, you can leave your questions in the comment section. I can answer your questions. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.